Hey there! If instructional design had a secret recipe for engaging learning, Dr. Richard Mayer would be the chef behind it. His multimedia principles are like the seasoning that brings content to life, making it easier to absorb, less overwhelming, and way more effective. Let's stir up that secret sauce and see how these principles can transform the way we teach and learn. At the heart of it all? Mayer's cognitive theory of multimedia learning. It says our brains learn best when we get information through both words and visuals, but only if we don't overload the system. It's all about balance. Use both channels, but don't max them out. Mayer gave us 12 guiding principles. Let's highlight a few game changers. Coherence principle. Cut the clutter. No extra music, no glittery distractions. Signaling principle. Use arrows, highlights, bolding. Show learners what matters. Redundancy principle. Don't narrate and show the exact same text. Pair narration with visuals, not just text on text on text. Spatial contiguity. Keep related text and visuals together. Don't make learners play hide and seek with explanations. Temporal contiguity. Sync visuals with audio. Don't wait 5 seconds to show the thing you just explained. Segmenting principle. Break down complex info into short, digestible chunks. Think mini lessons, not 30-minute lectures. Modality principle. Explain visuals using spoken words, not written ones. And here's the human touch. Personalization. Talk like a person, not a robot. Voice principle. A natural human voice builds trust and connection. Sorry, AI voice, you're great, but this one's for the humans. How do we use these in real life? In e-learning modules, cut distractions, coherence, chunk content, segmenting, and narrate with visuals, modality. In video lectures, highlight key points, signaling, sync your visuals, temporal contiguity. In infographics, keep text and images close, spatial contiguity, and if it's interactive, add narration. But watch out, too much media can overload learners. Fancy doesn't always mean effective. Stick to the principles and remember, every element should serve the learning objective. Start with clear objectives. Choose media that enhances, not distracts. Test and tweak. Learner feedback, =sign your design compass. Mayer's multimedia principles aren't just academic theory. They're practical, powerful, and proven. Use them well, and you'll design learning experiences that truly stick, with clarity, intention, and impact. Want to see these principles in action? Stick around for the next lesson, because we're just getting started. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.